let's create a type def. Let's place a control. Let's right click, make type def, open type def, and let's save it, giving it a name and location. For each instance of a type definition or strict type definition, the VI containing the instance maintains a connection to the file where we saved the type definition or strict type definition. So if we try to open it, the original type def will open from the instance because of the link. For a VI that contains an instance of a type definition or strict type definition to run, the VI must have the file that contains the type definition or strict type definition available. If we open a VI and LabVIEW cannot find a type definition or strict type definition the VI needs, LabVIEW disables the instance of that type definition or strict type definition in the VI and the run button appears broken. So let's save this VI. And let's go to the disk and then let's delete that type def and let's open the VI. So it's trying to locate that control. So if I tell it to ignore the item is dimmed and the VI is broken. Type definition numeric, type definition not found or contains errors. The master copy for this type definition could not be found or the master copy has errors. You must find and fix the master copy or right click this definition and select disconnect. To allow the VI to run, we should find and open the correct type definition or strict type definition. We also can right click the disabled instance and select disconnect from type def from the shortcut menu to permanently remove the link between the instance and the type definition or strict type definition. Disconnect the control numeric from its type definition control1.ctl. Okay, and the VI becomes runnable and the control becomes enabled.